Here we have our Destin floor plan. This home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car, 2,265 square feet. And this is the FS elevation with the stone over the entry. And as is typical of our single stories, as soon as you come in to the entry, you'll have 2 bedrooms. In this case, they're going to be off to the left, but a nice wide foyer. These bedrooms are going to be, this is a 10 by 11. And then the one up front is going to be a little bit larger. It's like 11 by 12. And then, of course, you have your hall bath here. Now this home really opens up. Got a very large tray ceiling here. Area for formal dining. And then you also have a breakfast nook area here. This is color scheme 1, white cabinets. You'll have your corner pantry here. And then this is going to go into laundry, which is nice right off the kitchen. And then, of course, your 3-car garage. Should mention, both your garage door openers will connect to your phone. Also, we have it plumbed for a laundry sink here. Then your air handler is here. So again, very, very open. This is also a triple split plan, which is nice. A lot of people use this as either a guest bedroom or an office, as it does have its own bathroom. And again, this is about 11 by 11. Really nice lanai. It's very deep. It's 13 by 16. These 2 doors are going to collapse into one. So if you screen this, it's literally like adding another room. But what I love about it being in the center of the home, it gives you privacy from your neighbors on either side. And again, really, really deep. And then looking back to the front door. Then the master bedroom is also going to have a coffered ceiling. And then, of course, dual vanities. And then nice size walk-in closet. So again, this is the Destin, 2,265 square feet. They haven't installed the glass, but there'll be glass here for the shower and door. So again, 4-3, 3-car.